Assalamu alaikum. I'm Reznullah Shaprutro, and I'm from section 2, from group 3. My group name is IT Punk. So our project name is Assist Scandal, Carbon Education, Exhibition, and Judging System. So if I talk about the introduction part, then let's talk about this. So Regional Center of Expertise, I mean the RCE, Scandal works on sustainable development. Their working area covers the entire districts of Johor Bahru and Kuala Jaya, Pulaya Jaya, and several sub-districts of Pontian. To promote education for sustainable development to all stakeholders, RC Scan holds exhibition named RC Scan Sustainable and Low Carbon School Exhibition. In this exhibition, all the schools of that area submit their activities, the works project or exhibition. The current system of organizations is using has some problems. First, schools submit their material to Google Form, and there are no notification system. There are all school post their videos, they're in the Facebook pages, and give the link. Judges must go there to see them. Also, the judges have just all marketing on Google Form. Most of the calculation needs to be done manually. So they need a better system to conduct this exhibition. The proposed approach to solve the problem can be web and mobile-based cross-platform system. This new system will provide an all-in-one platform where schools can submit the work, judges can see schools' work as well as mark them. They will be able to move one platform for all the work rather than using different types of systems like Google Doc, Facebook, etc. For their basic work such as material submission, content viewing, content marketing, etc. This new approach will help all kind of users. The management will benefit it as they're getting everything in a single place where will be easier for them to manage and monitor. School will be benefited as well. The easier for them submit all works, and judges will be benefited as they are not as they will not have to go different system to view content and mark content. These are the system adds new features, which will allow the civil people attend to exhibition online as an audience. Suppose if you want to vote, they can vote. All the problems that can exist, the existing system has solution, but none of them do not meet fully requirement of RC scan. Moreover, the system will be dedicated. The system will be dedicated system for RC scanner. So there are no a fair comparison of the new system and the solution that are available in the market. But present problem can be solved using system like review or justify. As the proposed system is developed dedicatedly for RC scan the sustainable low carbon school exhibition. The system completes all requirements, support further extension and development for future which rest of them cannot. So, let's go to show. I'm going to I'm going to show that slide now. My slide of also assessment. So, this is the full interface. The full interface I have done this project, not the specific use cases. The full interface. So I have chosen two use cases. One is view marks, another is monitor estimation. It's 008 and it's 009. So here's the UC008. You can see you have to log in as a jazz. You have to go to like this. Here you can see the view all marks, and then you can see the all the marks from here. If you want to monitor exhibition, you can go to the management system. You have to log in. Then you can see the option. You can see the participant. Then and you can see all the materials from here. I will show the prototype demo in the last of the video. So let's go this second page. Okay. So this is our full system use case diagram, and this is our project name, as scan the sustainable and low carbon school exhibition system. So here you can see the actors. We have totally four actors, so which is participant, judge, management, and audience. Here you can see the submission subsystem, the evaluation subsystem, the management subsystem. So this is our activity diagram from view marks. This is user 8, and here you can see the two actor. One is the system, another is judge, and we can start from here, like show the participant list. The system will show the participant list, then judge will select from here, then the system will display the marks of the participant, and then show the average total marks from the system. My second use case is monitor distribution, and so here you can see the two apps, also the management of the system. So management can select from here the select monitor, judging monitor, or submitted monitor. Here you can select any of these, like submitted material, or if you want to see the view marks, you can select any of this. And this is the end. So let's talk about the self-preparation. What I have learned actually the full semester, the full course of this semester, this semester. So So if you see the if you can see that this is my full reflection, the full reflection. So what I can say that we have learned a lot of new concept, new concept throughout the full course. There are such large number of them, like presentation and the significance of prerequisite design framework limits and setting limits, categorizing necessities depends on factors prerequisite the executive, etc. And also what I can learn about what I've seen. The requirement engineering assesses the intellectual complexity involved in understanding the problem that is system supposed to solve or reflecting on potential solutions. Even recommend engineering provides a proper basis for estimating development effort and cost. The recommend engineering is a prerequisite for testing and system properly how to deal with stakeholders. As observer, the interface between the system and environment so that the system satisfy the stakeholders' desires and needs. In case of pure software system, we speak of software requirements. The overall system development process, in particular linear plan driven versus imperative agile. The development context is particular the relationship between the software, the customers, and the users of the system. So moreover, we have learned a lot about the ethics, the morality while working in a group, how we should regret the assessment, other colleagues, how to tackle the distinction in assessment, how then sorry, how can we make a conversation meeting viable or productive? What are the things that we ought to do or not to do while working in a tech group or while working in a project? What are the must and how to be a caution toward one of the or obligation, etc. The experience accrued from the course from the course will have the beneficially affects my engineering life, my little life. Course the requirement engineering, software modeling and software engineering. I have gained a lot of tasks, learning, meeting about our course. Before taking this course, I had no knowledge about this subject. We can isolate those encounter and learning result in best parts, idea undertaking, so sorry, idea understanding, outline, drawing, working together with the partners and last division and doing the job. So I can say that I have learned a lot of things from this RESM course, or software requirement course, software designing and modeling. So after this, here you can see my prototype link. This is my prototype link. You can see from here. And now it's time to go to my interface part. My interface part. So this is my interface. Here you can see the four actors, four users can use this participant management jargon audience. So you can go through the participant. You can see everything, submit the material, update the material as usual, everything. Uh, then you can log in as a management and monitor exhibition. You can see announce winner. You can see from here the appoint judges option and also the set criteria, many things. And here also jazz option. Here you can log in. You can see the view submitted material, mark all participant, mark all view all marks, everything. If you want to judge, if you are an audience, suppose you are sorry, if you are an audience, you can go through this. You can vote. You can select the participant also. But I have chosen two use cases. That's why I'm going to show you the two specific interface. The first one is view marks. For view marks, where judge can view the marks, where judge can view the marks. So you have to log in as a judge, and here you have to write down your to put your username, your password, then you can log in from here. And here you can see all the options like view all submitted materials, view all participant, and view all marks. It is as I've said, the use case view marks. So I have to select the view marks. Here it will show the view marks. You have to select a participant, then it will show all the marks from here. And you can see the view marks, view videos, view activities. You can see the all the diff marks as differently or separately from we posted like 10 videos from 10 activities we got 9 and the total mark is 29. So my another my bad uh, so my another use case is monitor exhibition. So for monitor exhibition I have to log in as a management because management can monitor monitor judge, can monitor participants. So for manager it will have to the same thing, do the same thing. You have to write down or put your username and password. Then you can log in from here. Here you can see the monitor exhibition. So in monitor exhibition, here are three options. Uh, View submitted material, view marks, and monitor charges. So you can monitor charges from here. You can view marks from here. You can submit material from here. Suppose you want to see the marks, what is given by the judges. So you have to click on it, and here you can select the participant and add all the materials and the marks in here, total marks and every individual marks in here as well. So the next part is a few submitted materials. So how the management monitor the materials or submitted materials. I can see the submitted materials. Here you can see a few submitted materials. You can select. You have to select the participant from here. Suppose I'm going to select this participant, and after the selecting this participant, you have to open anything you want like. If you want to see the view poster, if you want to see the video, you want to see the activities. Suppose you want to see the poster, right? You have to click on this. Here you can see the poster. The management will be able to see the poster from here. If you want to see the video, you have to click on it, and here is the video. You can play from here. And if you want to see the activities, you can see the activities from here. There's all the activities in here. So that's all about the use case 9. That's mean the motor exhibition. That's all from me. Thank you so much, and hope I have done my best. I've tried my best to do, and I have used the Figma for this. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.